Hello everyone and welcome to tonight's Strategy of the Week presentation for the 9th of August 2013. My name is Jerry D'Ambrosio, Senior Instructor with VectorVest, and tonight's strategy is titled MARKHAM'S Short Interest. Here at VectorVest, we never stop trying to improve the product, and we are constantly trying to make your trading experiences a lot easier. Some of you may have run into a problem before trying to short some of the stocks that come up from many of our shorting searches. Now this feedback was relayed to me by Russell Markham. Russell is our Director of Marketing over in Asia Pacific, and after expressing some concerns he's had, he introduced me to a website, the Australian Securities and Investments Commission. And on that website, they provide a list of all the stocks in the Australian market that have been shorted so far this year, 2013. So what we decided to do was take that list of just about 600 stocks and put them in a watch list. You may have noticed that we created a new watch list in your programs, and let me show you that watch list. To access the watch list, I'm going to move up to Viewers, and I'm going to come down to the bottom left, and we put it in the Special Watch List folder, and the name of the watch list is ASIC Shorts. Again, we have 619 stocks that have been shorted at one time or another so far this year. And as you know, anytime you open up a watch list, it's sorted by VST descending. Well, these are not the type of stocks that you want to short. We really don't recommend shorting good quality high VST stocks. A very popular and effective sort for the Australian database is RT times CI descending. Now that sort finds high flying, smooth sailing stocks, and that's a great sort to find stocks to buy long. Well, if you flip that sort around, if I come to our column here, click on RT times CI ascending, we're essentially finding fast falling volatile stocks. Low CI stocks really exhibit what you may call price depreciation persistence. And this is a great sort to find stocks suitable to short. If you do notice though, we took 619 stocks, sorted them by RT times CI ascending. You have a lot of penny stocks here. So aside from scrolling through this list to find stocks that are higher dollar that you would be able to short, what we did is we created a search using or looking at this watch list. Again, we want to make your lives a lot easier, and we don't want you to have to scroll through this list to find stocks in your price range. So we use the Unisearch tool. Let me come up to the main toolbar, click on Unisearch, and we put the new search in the Searches Short folder, and the search is called MARKHAM'S Short Interest. The parameters are very simple. Again, the watch list is going to equal that ASIC shorts watch list. So the universe of stocks has been shrunk from over 1,700 shares to now we're just looking at about 600. We want the average volume to be greater than 100,000 shares. We want some liquidity with these shares. And we want the actual price to be greater than $10. So the parameters are very simple. However, it's the sort that is the key to this search and any search for that matter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the date back here and I'm going to quick test this search over some of our more recent confirmed down calls to demonstrate the efficacy of this search. I'm going to use our quick dates here. We're going to have our confirmed calls selected. I'm going to go back to the 15th of May 2012, click OK, and we'll go ahead and run that search. I'll pull this up a little bit here, close our directory, give us a little bit more real estate, and you can see the type of stocks this search finds. It finds, for the most part, overvalued, fundamentally suspect companies. Some of these shares have either an RV that's below 1 or an RS that's below 1. Notice though the RT values are pretty much below 1, and if I scroll over to the right, we can see the CIs are very low as well. So these are stocks that are not only in downtrends, but again, they exhibit price depreciation persistence. They fall in price a lot more than they go up. If I scroll back over, and most of them are sell and hold ratings as well. So let me quick test the top 5. And again, I'll use our quick dates here. We don't want to bring it all the way to current. We want to go to the subsequent confirmed up call after the 15th of May, and that was the 17th of August. I'll run the test. You can see we have 4 winners and 1 loser. Remember, we're shorting these stocks, so we want the prices to go down. Big winner here, up about 32%. On average, this basket of stocks went up 8%, while the overall market went down a little bit less than 2%. So we're well outperforming the market here. Let me close out of this quick test window. I'll change our date up at the top to the next confirmed down. That was on the 1st of November. I'll run the search again. Same types of stocks here. I'll go ahead and quick test the top 5. And we'll change our end date to that next confirmed up signal, which was on the 19th of February. Just about a month and a half, so not a very long downturn. If I run the search, here we have 3 winners, 1 loser, 1 stock was unchanged. Another 4% gain here. The actual market went up 2%. So while the overall market went up over this month and a half time period, these types of stocks, these RT times CI ascending shares, actually fell in price. And there was 1 more confirmed down. So if I close this quick test window and change our quick dates to the 20th of March, run the search again, I'll go ahead and quick test the top 5. Now that'll bring us to current. Even to current, we gained 16%, but we did have a confirmed up signal on the 12th of July. I'll go ahead and run that test till the 12th. 5 winners, no losers, almost a 16% gain here, while the overall market fell 1.65%. So we're really excited about this new search. Again, all of these shares at one point in time this year have been shorted. And you may be wondering, what is he talking about? What is shorting stocks? Well, let me close out of this quick test window and come up to the main toolbar, click on Views, and go to the Special Reports section. Dr. DeLito has written a fantastic essay on shorting stocks called How to Short Stocks. I strongly suggest that you read this essay because he thoroughly explains the mechanics and concepts really of shorting stocks and how by playing the market to the downside during downtrends, it can take your portfolio from ordinary to extraordinary. Well, this concludes tonight's Strategy of the Week presentation. Have a great weekend, everyone.